Friends, have a nice day. Today I am going to teach you about the preposition. What is the preposition? First, I want to define that what is the preposition. Preposition means the words which come before the noun and pronoun. The words which come before the noun and pronouns, these words are called preposition, or the words which come before the subject or object and make the relation between subject to object are known the preposition. Let us come to the topic of the preposition. Today I have opted only three preposition add, in and on for you, because preposition is very complicated parts of speech which is in a great which makes a great confusion of the students. So let us come to the topic of the preposition. I have written here add, in and on. These preposition add, in and on are very commonly used preposition. Add, in and on, these prepositions are very commonly used preposition. These prepositions come to refer the time. These preposition add, in and on come to refer the time. First, I have written here the use of add, where you will use the add and what condition add preposition creates here. Add is used for a precise time. Add is used for a precise time. Next, in. In is particularized for the month, year, centuries and long period. Right now, once again, I want to repeat the condition of the in. In is used for months, years, centuries and long period. And the next, on. On is also one of the prepositions which is used for the dates and days. Let us come to the first opted particularized preposition of add, where you will use it. I have written here precise time. At 3 o'clock, not in 3 o'clock or on 3 o'clock, but at 3 o'clock, at 3:30 a.m., at noon, at dinner time, at bed time, at sunrise, at sunset, at the moment. Okay? And next, second, in is one of the prepositions which denote the months, years, centuries and long period. Once again, in is one of the prepositions which denotes months, years, centuries and long period. For example, in May, not at May, not on May, but in May is the correct. In the 25th January 2000, on 25th January 2000, in the summer, in the summer, in the 1990s, in the next century, in ice is in the past or future. Once again, I want to repeat this preposition. In is one of the prepositions which are used to denote the months, years, centuries and long period. In May, in summer, in the summer, in 90, in the 1990s, in 1990, in the 1990s, in the next century, in the I says in the past or future. These are the preposition. This is one of the preposition which denotes the value, month, years and centuries or long period. Right now. Next, third. On days and dates. On Sunday, on Tuesday, on 6th March, on 25th January 2020, or on Christmas Day, or on Independence Day, on my birthday, on New Year's Eve. On is preferred. On is only preferred for to denote the days and dates. I have given the example of particular days of the week. First Sunday, I have written here the Sunday, on Sunday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Friday, and also here I have written on 6th March month, particular month of the year, on 6th March, on 15th August, okay, on 25th January 2020, on Christmas Day, on Independence Day, on my birthday, on New Year Eve. All these given time are denoted to use the only preposition of on, days and dates. Okay. Next, I have written here important notes for you. Never use at, in, on when you denote the time and the matter has written in the sentence next or last. अगर next और last जो है अगर तुम्हारा लिखा हुआ है किसी वाक्य में, उस समय हमें at, in, on का प्रयोग नहीं करना है. ओके तो जैसे एग्जाम्पल आई हैव गिवन द एग्जाम्पल कि आई वेंट टू बलिया इन लास्ट में, तो इन नहीं रहेगा. आई वेंट टू बलिया, ये इन इसका जगह पर नहीं रहेगा, सिर्फ लास्ट में रख देंगे. आई वेंट टू बलिया लास्ट में. ही इज कमिंग बैक ऑन नेक्स्ट मंडे नहीं, ही इज कमिंग बैक नेक्स्ट मंडे. राइट. एंड ऑन लगाने पर रॉन्ग, इन लगाने पर रॉन्ग, इन हटा देने से राइट. तो आई वेंट टू बलिया लास्ट में, ही इज कमिंग बैक नेक्स्ट मंडे. आई गो होम एट ईवर ईस्टर नहीं, आई गो होम ईवर ईस्टर इज द राइट. नेवर यूज एट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. एंड ऑल्सो वन थिंग फॉर यू, एट इज वन ऑफ द प्रीपोजिशन. At is one of the prepositions which denotes the small space of the time. But in is one of the prepositions which denotes not a small space of time, but also it denotes a very big space of time. For example, I am inhabitant of India. I live in India, but I live at Balia. I live in Balia, but I live at Sitakund village, because Sitakund is one of the small village where I live. That time I especially can use the particular preposition at before the small village. But when you denote a big space of place, that time you use the preposition in. I live in India, but I live at Varanasi. But if you say that I live in Varanasi, but I live at a village, that time when you use to denote a small space of place, small space of a place, that time you use the preposition at. When you use the big space of a place, that time you will use the in. Okay students, it's enough for you. Next episode I will teach you about the next preposition of in, at and on. Okay,